Kneading dough by hand can feel exhausting, but what if the perfect bread was just one mixer away? Today, I'm revealing the top 7 best stand mixers for bread dough that can transform your baking forever. Stay with me for real value, and if you love any, grab it easily through the links in the description. At number 7 is VIVOHOME Bread Hook Stand Mixer. Ever wondered why some dough turns silky in minutes while yours fights back? Meet the VIVOHOME Bread Hook Stand Mixer, a surprisingly capable contender in our lineup for serious bread lovers. First impression, power with calm. The 660-watt motor feels strong yet quieter than expected, which instantly removes that noisy kitchen stress. And that fermentation mode? Game changer for consistent rise, especially if you've struggled with proofing before. But here's what really caught my attention. The one-touch presets actually work. No guesswork, just reliable kneading for heavy dough batches. Compared with a pricier KitchenAid model, the build isn't as premium, but performance per dollar is impressive. Suction stability adds confidence during dense mixes, something many buyers worry about. Downsides? Extremely stiff dough can push its limits. Still, for home bakers wanting dependable results without overspending, this feels like a smart, reassuring choice. If you bake occasionally, maybe skip it, but frequent bread makers will appreciate the value. On number 6 is Dash Stainless Steel Stand Mixer. Can a lightweight mixer really handle bread dough without frustration? That's the question I had before testing the Dash Stainless Steel Stand Mixer, and the answer surprised me. First, the compact size solves a huge problem for small kitchens or first apartments. It's easy to store, easy to move, and feels unintimidating for beginners. But here's the catch. The 250-watt motor is better for soft dough and occasional baking, not heavy artisan batches. Compared with the more powerful VIVOHOME option in this lineup, you'll notice the difference during dense kneading. Still, for casual users, the 6 speeds deliver consistent mixing, and the tilt head design keeps cleanup stress-free. Peace of mind matters. I always say we focus on gear that proves its value in everyday kitchens, and this one does for the right person. Downsides? Limited capacity and power. My take, perfect for beginners or light use, skip if you bake bread weekly. At number 5 is ChefCrafts Household Stand Mixer. What if one mixer could handle family bread nights without breaking a sweat? The ChefCrafts Household Stand Mixer instantly impressed me with its 660-watt pure copper motor, serious strength that tackles heavy dough, pizza bases, even multi-loaf batches with confidence. That solves the biggest fear buyers have: will it stall on thick dough? Here, it doesn't. The 6.5-quart bowl feels generous, perfect for families, and the suction feet keep things stable, which adds that reassuring sense of control. Now, compared with the lighter Dash model in this lineup, this one clearly wins in power and capacity, though it's slightly bulkier on the counter. I always lean toward equipment that proves itself in real kitchen use, and this delivers. Downsides? It's not the quietest at top speed. My verdict, ideal for frequent bakers and growing families. Occasional users may not need this much muscle. At number 4 is Knead Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer. Most home bakers don't realize capacity matters more than speed, until dough starts climbing the hook. The Knead Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer solves that instantly with its 6.3-quart bowl, giving you room for serious bread batches without constant stopping. I notice the planetary mixing delivers even texture, which removes that frustrating uneven kneading many buyers complain about. The 6 speeds plus pulse feel responsive, especially for switching from dough to cream. Compared with the more heavy-duty ChefCrafts unit in this lineup, this one balances power and convenience better for everyday families, though extreme dough loads may favor the stronger motor competitor. Stability is reassuring thanks to suction feet. Peace of mind during operation matters. I usually recommend tools that prove themselves in real kitchens, and this does. Downsides? Slight vibration at top speed. My take, great for regular bakers, professionals may want more torque. On number 3 is Hauswirt High-End Smart Stand Mixer. What if your stand mixer could actually think for you? The Hauswirt High-End Smart Stand Mixer brings a surprisingly futuristic experience with its intelligent light-emitting diode touchscreen and real-time timing control, which instantly removes the guesswork many home bakers struggle with. I found the 11-speed precision especially helpful for switching between delicate mixing and heavy dough, creating that sense of confidence every buyer wants. The 5.3-quart bowl hits a sweet spot for families, while the tilt head design keeps workflow smooth. Compared with the more traditional West Knead model in this lineup, this one feels more advanced and refined, though it comes at a higher price point. I tend to favor tools that deliver both performance and convenience, and this does. Downsides? Attachments cost extra. My verdict: perfect for tech-loving bakers, casual users may not need the smart features. At number 2 is Bonor LED Smart Touchscreen Stand Mixer. Imagine tapping a screen and your dough practically kneads itself. Sounds futuristic, right? The Bonor light-emitting diode Smart Touchscreen Stand Mixer delivers exactly that feeling with 4 one-touch auto programs that remove the confusion beginners often face. I noticed the 660-watt motor combined with 360-degree planetary mixing creates smooth, consistent dough, which instantly builds confidence. The timer feature is a relief, no more standing and watching the bowl. Compared with the premium Hauswirt Smart model in this lineup, this one offers similar intelligent convenience at a more approachable price, though the materials feel slightly less luxurious. I usually recommend equipment that proves reliable in everyday baking, and this one does. Downsides? Learning the interface takes a moment. My verdict: perfect for busy home bakers wanting automation. Minimalists may prefer simpler controls. Now moving to the last one is Babroun Dough Hook Stand Mixer. Did you know bowl size alone can decide whether your bread turns perfect or frustrating? The Babroun Dough Hook Stand Mixer immediately stands out with its massive 8.45-quart capacity, solving the biggest pain point for families and batch bakers, running out of space mid-mix. The 660-watt pure copper motor feels strong and dependable, giving that comforting sense of control when kneading thick dough. I noticed the 6 speeds with pulse provide enough flexibility for most recipes without overcomplication. Compared with the slightly smaller Bonor Smart Mixer in this lineup, this one sacrifices digital features but wins in raw capacity and simplicity. I tend to trust tools that perform consistently in real kitchens, and this does. Downsides? Bulky footprint and basic interface. My verdict: ideal for large families and frequent bread makers. Casual users may prefer a compact option. After comparing performance, capacity, and reliability across the lineup, the clear winner is the Hauswirt Stand Mixer. It delivers stronger dough kneading torque, more stable operation, and premium build quality that serious bread makers appreciate. While budget models work fine for occasional baking, this one gives long-term confidence and smoother results with heavy dough. If you want peace of mind, consistent texture, and a mixer that grows with your skills, this is the smartest investment. It's ideal for frequent bakers, maybe overkill for casual users, but perfect for committed bread lovers. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best stand mixer bread dough. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.